So I'm back, bitches. Today, looking at what is between a Python exercise from Codewars.com. A little short and sweet here. This is a lower level one, the 8th level. Complete the function that takes two integers, a comma b, where a is less than b, and return a list of all integers between the input parameters, including them. So we're going to get two integers. A will be less than b, and we need to return the range, basically, consecutive numbers in between a and b, including them. It's a pretty easy exercise, and this really summons up some basic Python syntactic functionality, whatever that means. Long story short, you're going to use the range function and you're going to turn it into a list. Actually, do you even need to turn it into a list? Let's see here. But for those Python coders out there, you may recall that range is a function that produces a sequence of numbers, typically a consecutive sequence. So you can totally use that in this scenario. So I can do a one-liner where, so it says return an array of, I guess I've got to use a list. So I'm going to use the list function, and then I'm going to call range, and yeah, getting back to the range function, produces a consecutive sequence, and I'm going to start at A and end at B, but I'm going to go +1 because the end must be inclusive, and typically in range in Python, the end is not inclusive. So I want to include B, so I go B +1, so that will include B. This will be A to B inclusive. So let's see what we get here. That should be it. That's good, and that's good. All right, I want to see if I can just take off the list function. And by the way, what this list function is, it is a conversion function. I'm converting from range object to list. I think I need to do that, but let's see. No, I do need to do that. Alrighty. There we go, there we go. Alright, kiddies, well, there's your solution. Short and sweet, like I said. This is a lower level one, but just a little slight test of the extreme fundamentals. Hey, they're the fundamentals for a reason. So that's it. This one's good. It works. That's all I got for you. So until next time, I'm going to see y'all later.